So I dragged the downloaded XLS file into a Google folder. Okay, so now I'm just going to double click it to open it. You can see that it opened the file. All right, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to save as Google Sheets. This way, it just works better when working with Google Sheets instead of trying to do it in Excel mode. So now it has that. I'm going to give it a name. So we'll just go 21, 22 Warriors. Okay. For some reason, we don't get a name column here, so I'm just going to add that. Now, some general tips and tricks with using Sheets and or Excel. Okay, you can see that we got lots and lots of columns. These are basketball stats. All right, one of the things you notice is that the columns are way too wide, and then the name column is too short. So the easy way to do that is you can select some columns like this, and double click on one of the edges like that, and it will auto size them to the minimum size that they need. So I'll do that for all of them, like so. Okay, and this file is already relatively cleaned up. Okay, so in the next part, we'll start working on how to do some formulas and things like that.